Hello and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. In this video, we will be learning about another prototype method of an array, which is called dot reverse. Basically, as you can see right over here, we have an array of numbers, which is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And what I want to do is I want to reverse this list. How can I do that? If I reverse this list, it will become something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, right? But the question is, how can we achieve it in JavaScript? To do that, array provides us a prototype method which is called dot reverse. So I will come over here and write arr dot reverse, right? And after that, if I look into the array, then as you can see that our main array has been reversed with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will this reverse method do? Sorry, this reverse method will mutate the original array. It will not return the new array in a reverse format. So basically, whenever you are working with any kind of array and you want to reverse it, then this reverse function can be very useful. So this is all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.